Doggy go! And he's doing an amazing stunt.
But the terrorists have been fucking with India for a long time. They have. They've been, well before 9/11 ever happened, the terrorists have been fucking with India. And here's the messed up part. They keep hitting India,
As you have
and
a pet.
India doesn't do shit back to anybody. So the terrorists hit us and go, stop it. Don't do it, man. Put the pants on and then stop.
Parang cognitive robotics. Ang pagagalitan niya. Ano yun?
Statue.
Ano yun?
Like Turing.
Okay.
Types of
Those are pretty crazy terror attacks that happened in 2008. They were pretty nuts. Personally, not the worst ones that happened in Bombay. The worst terror attacks, in my personal opinion, happened in 2006. And I'm not basing it off destruction or how many people they killed, which was pretty crazy all on its own. But I'm basing it simply off of the date in which they chose to attack.
Ano pa siya?
Really, India got attacked on July 11th.
Primitive pa. Hindi pa niya kayang...
We got hit on 7/11.
Kunyari yan. Nag-aantay siya ganyan. Pagka pinet mo yung baba niya.
It's almost like the terrorists had a sense of humor that day, you know?
Yung series of...
The momento de cloud. The
Pero kasi
11.
yung kanina ano,
The comedy
naka-voice
practically writes
activate yun
itself.
eh. Yung controller na...
And you know what the worst part about
yung
those attacks
pinapalitan
were?
ko.
Weren't even the attacks. It was watching George Bush's dumbass have to get in front of the world media the next day and address it. Just a smug look on his face, you know?
Yung controller program doon sa ano. So, tapos isa sa mga kailangan kabangan dito, natatanggal kasi yung mga, ano niya, yung mga screws. Dahil doon sa mga joint, mabilis gumalaw, so doon natatanggal.
In America, we had our own
Ito na lang rin muna siya.
devastating events of
Marami.
9/11.
Tapos,
And now in India,
maalala ko kay Fritz,
they have their own
para bukas, sa kanya nyo na lang kanya.
7/11.
Ang mangyayari ito, baka wala pa akong bukas ng
Shoot!
graduation ni Aidan.
Another shoe. That was easily my favorite event of 2008. Was the Iraqi guy who